Triangles. What is a triangle? A triangle is a polygon with three sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's call this triangle YOU. The sides are segment YO, segment YU, and segment OU. The angles are angle Y, angle O, angle U. The vertices are Y, O, and U. Kinds of triangles. Triangles can be classified into two, according to the lengths of the sides of the triangle or according to the measures of the angles. The three kinds of triangles classified according to the lengths of the sides are scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. The three triangles classified according to the measures of the angles are right triangle, obtuse triangle, and acute triangle. Again, the three triangles classified according to the lengths of the sides are scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. The three triangles classified according to the measures of the angles are right, obtuse, and acute. What is a scalene triangle? Let's consider triangle ARE. The three sides are segment AE, segment ER, and segment RA. Triangle ARE has no congruent sides. Triangle ARE is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has no congruent sides. What is an isosceles triangle? Consider triangle YOU with segment YO congruent to segment OU. Triangle YOU is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has two congruent sides. In an isosceles triangle, the congruent sides are called legs. Segment YO and segment OU are the legs of triangle YOU. The third side is called the base. The base of triangle YOU is segment YU. The angle opposite the base is the vertex angle. In triangle YOU, the vertex angle is angle O. The angles opposite the legs of an isosceles triangle are the base angles. The base angles of triangle YOU are angle Y and angle U. What is an equilateral triangle? Let's consider triangle SHY. Triangle SHY has all sides congruent. Segment SH is congruent to segment HY, which is also congruent to segment YS. Triangle SHY is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has three congruent sides. What is a right triangle? Consider triangle HIS with a 90-degree angle. Triangle HIS is a right triangle. A right triangle has one angle equal to 90 degrees. In triangle HIS, the measure of angle IHS is equal to 90 degrees. The sides which are perpendicular to each other are called the legs of the right triangle. The legs are segment HI and segment HS. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is segment IS. This is the longest side of the right triangle. What is an obtuse triangle? Consider triangle AND. The measure of angle A is equal to 125 degrees. Triangle AND is an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has an angle measure greater than 90 degrees. What is an acute triangle? Consider triangle HER. The measure of angle H is 62 degrees, the measure of angle E is 78 degrees, and the measure of angle R is equal to 40 degrees. Triangle HER is an acute triangle. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles. Answer the following using sometimes, always, or never. Obtuse triangles are scalene. Sometimes. Acute triangles are equilateral. Sometimes. Equilateral triangles are acute. Always. Obtuse triangles are acute. Never. Refer to the figure. Identify a right triangle. Triangle GEL. Name the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Segment GL. Name the legs of the right triangle. Segment EG and segment EL. Name the legs of the isosceles triangle that is not equilateral. Segment GL and segment GN. Name the base angles of triangle GNL. Angle GLN and angle GNL. Name the vertex angle of triangle GNL. Angle LGN. Solve. Triangle ART is isosceles with angle R as the vertex angle. Find x and the length of each side if AR is equal to 5x plus 7, AT is equal to 7x plus 3, and TR is equal to 112. Solution. Triangle ART is an isosceles triangle with angle R as the vertex angle. This implies that segment AR is congruent to segment TR. AR is equal to TR. AR is equal to 5x plus 7 and TR is equal to 112. The equation is 5x plus 7 is equal to 112. Subtract both sides by 7. The resulting equation is 5x is equal to 105. Divide both sides by 5. The result is x is equal to 21. AT is equal to 7x plus 3. Substitute 21 for x. AT is equal to 150. Thanks for watching.